Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's focus on the common names of various fungal infections. So we start off with the histoplasmosis. Histoplasmosis is also known as a Darling's disease. So this is histoplasmosis. Known as the Darling's disease. Then we move on to the sporotrichosis. The sporotrichosis is known as the rose thorn or the rose garden's disease. Next, moving on to the paracoccidiosis, we are writing it as PC. It is a South American blastomycosis. Then, looking at the coccidiomycosis, it is a valley fever or the desert rheumatism. And what is the blastomycosis? Blastomycosis is a North American blastomycosis. It is also known as a Gilchrist disease. This is blastomycosis. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.